Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.78 trillion. We are up 2% in the last 24 hours. Yay, we will definitely take that. And BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are starting to see a reversal happen within the cryptocurrency space over the last few hours. And that's exactly what we had been anticipating. We're starting to see Bitcoin along with some of the altcoins starting to see a reversal, and I do believe we are about to see a reversal occur over the next coming days as we go into December. So buckle up, guys, the time is coming. But overall, guys, nothing to worry about. Same old. Like I mentioned, markets are starting to see a reversal. We will see what happens in the next coming days. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Vechain, our favorite. All right, my Vechain family. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me over the past, couple of days. I love each and every one of you guys, and this really does, guys, keep pushing me to make daily updates for you guys. So first off, I would like to say just thank you, thank you, thank you, and your support means the world to me. All right, Vechain holders, if we are looking at the Vechain price, you guys can see Vechain is currently trading at 12.4 cents. We are down 0.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 1.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at the market cap, guys, you guys can see Vechain is still holding quite strong at that $8.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has increased from yesterday, and we're currently sitting at $611 million. Our 24-hour rank is, our coin market cap and CoinGecko ranking is still at the top 27 spot. We will take that. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, though, as you guys can see, we are in the last year alone still up 645.1%. Yes, in the last 30 to 14 days, we are down 25.1%, but let's not forget, the broader picture, guys. But now let's get into the exciting stuff. What's going on and where are we going in the immediate short term? Everyone is waiting for that. So, if you are a Vechain holder, guys, you want to watch this video till the end because I have a surprise for you guys in this video. So you have to watch for it to find out. All right, guys. So my Vechain family, if we are looking at the Vechain price right now, you guys can see we're still exactly where we were yesterday at this 12.36 cents mark. All right, we're still below that level of resistance at that 13 cents mark, which I want Vechain to go above as soon as possible. But we do need to look at other factors such as Bitcoin to really see that happen. But we are seeing some interesting things happening in the cryptocurrency markets, and I will explain exactly what is going on. So right now, as I have mentioned, we're still in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We have been trading around here, but I would like for us to go above that 13 cents mark as soon as possible. So, the time is coming. Now, you may be telling yourself, hey, Crypto ZX, you're sounding like a broken record at this point. Why are you sounding like a broken record? You have been saying, Vechain time is coming, blah, 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 blah. But again, guys, this is cryptocurrencies. Look what happened here. Just look what happened. You know what? Let's bring out the measuring tool. So from September 28th, we saw a rally of about 126%. And this really goes to show we were literally sitting at 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we saw us go all the way into this 31.8 Fibonacci retracement level very, very fast. So this itself should show you when the momentum is on the side, we could really start moving up very, very fast in the crypto space, especially in a bull cycle. And guys, our time is very near. Do not underestimate that. Do not underestimate that. I have been mentioning this for quite a while. If you are a strong believer of Vechain, guys, then these kind of price should not even matter to you. You should be watching these updates for just entertainment this is all for entertainment purposes. So, but if you love Vechain so much, you can obviously always tune in and just watch and see what's happening with the price in the immediate short term. But right now, guys, Vechain is still looking very, very nice. And I am predicting that we are going to hit newer all-time highs in the month of December, before we close out this year. And I'm very, very optimistic about that. I believe purchasing VeChain at a cheaper price is, those days are coming to an end very, very soon. And you guys will remember that Crypto ZX mentioned that, but again, only time is going to tell. But if we are looking at the Bitcoin price, something is happening different with the Bitcoin price right now. As you guys can see, Bitcoin saw a double bottom. Beautiful double bottom at this 55 $400 level, and we've seen a bounce back towards the upside, and we saw Bitcoin touch all the way up to $59,462 level, but we are unable to break out of this $60,250 level. And if you guys don't know, if you're a viewer on my channel, you guys don't have been talking about this zone. I want Bitcoin to break out of here, and then overall markets are really going to start seeing more pop off happening within the space. But one thing that's very interesting for altcoins right now that is happening is the BTC dominance. We are seeing BTC dominance decline over the past couple days, guys, and obviously that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin has been trading sideways, and that means that money's flowing out of Bitcoin into altcoins. But this should not be taken, or we should not be fooled by this, because you never know when we could see this happen like this. We can never know, because Bitcoin is still very, very bullish. The steam is on its end. I do believe we saw manipulation occur over the past couple of days. Obviously, weekends got shaken, major liquidations occurred, but we are going to see more newer highs before we end this year out. So we need to keep that in mind. But when it comes to VeChain, guys, like, you guys know my stance. If this is your first time coming onto my channel, guys, let me explain. VeChain is one of the projects that is extremely, extremely, extremely undervalued in my personal opinion. And I have said this on a continuous basis, but if this is your first time coming onto my channel, I'll explain as to why. VeChain is literally helping the overall world outside of the crypto space, the normal world, if you want to call it. They're literally helping these people, adopt blockchain, educate them what blockchain is really all about. And that, what does that do? Obviously, it brings traction to VeChain. Not only that, it basically, brings more and more mass adoption to the crypto space. Now, you may be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, VeChain only has a 3 point, I'm sorry, what's the market cap again? Yeah, so you could be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, VeChain only has an $8.3 billion market cap. How is this project bringing mass adoption? You would be surprised as to what is going on. I have mentioned this for quite a while. If we literally just ignore the price action, just go look what VeChain is doing. Look at the partnerships they have. Some of the biggest names around the world, multi-billion-dollar companies that are working with VeChain or blockchain. And China government is also backing VeChain. So imagine, as time goes by, as more and more people start finding out what VeChain is all about, what's going to happen? Obviously, then the price is going to rally. Right now, we are in boring times. Sure, if you want to call it quote unquote boring, even though we are up 675% in 1 year. But if you guys still want to call it boring, sure, we will go ahead and call it boring. But long-term perspective, guys, sky's the limit for this project. And I know for a fact, I'm a strong believer. Again, this is all my own personal opinion, not financial advice. I believe that VeChain is going to shake the cryptocurrency space very, very soon, and people are going to see what this project is really all about. So these kind of prices literally are an opportunity for myself to dollar cost average in and buy more at cheaper cost. Because I do believe these prices are extremely undervalued if we are comparing other altcoins to VeChain right now. There's some altcoins, I'm not going to name any of them, that are way up there and that are not even a percentage, of worth of what VeChain really is solving and how good of a project it is. VeChain community is massively strong. We have diehard holders and we really do believe in the project, and this community is going to be rewarded quite heavily. We do need to obviously have patience. Look at what happened to Polkadot. Didn't just sky Obviously we did see long consolidation phase before we had a pop off. Look at all these coins. Every coin has its time, especially the real ones with real use cases, and Vechain time is coming. Let me just give you guys one reminder before we close out this video. So always remember this, because this is a great example for you guys. Let's just look at Crow token, guys. If you don't know what Crow token is, this is Crypto.com token. Now you may be asking yourself, CryptoZX, what does this have to absolutely do with Vechain? You guys can see, well, we were in this zone for quite a while, like around the zone, 21 cents, 15 cents, boring. This is where people are calling Vechain boring. Nothing was happening, but boom, consolidation phase. And then now look what happened. When the traction comes on the side, guys, markets can move up very, very fast. And look how far, Crypto.com has come in just 1 month alone. You cannot make this up. Let me show you guys. If we are measuring it, let's measure the all-time high, 210% in just a month. Absolutely insane. And now you may be asking, obviously, CryptoZX, Crypto.com had huge news coming out for itself, how Staples Center and Crypto.com are making a partnership, blah, blah, blah. Yes, but we cannot underestimate this kind of move. This is when, the traction, the momentum really builds up on its side, and, this type of move is going to come for Vechain, and I'm very optimistic on that, and that time is coming. Go look at XRP charts back, and XRP is also a very, very good prime example. I remember I've seen this with my own personal eyes. If you guys don't know, I have been in the cryptocurrency space for quite a while, and I've seen 2 bull cycles beforehand, and I saw when XRP literally, guys, literally was 10 cents. And we saw XRP go up from 10 cents to 25 cents. It consolidated there for like quite a while, and then boom, $3.20. And that literally happened in a time frame of about a month and a half, and it topped out in January of 2018. So this really goes to show, when we do see that type of parabolic move, guys, back then altcoins were going 200-300% overnight, but that's obviously the top. That's like a danger zone, like that's basically top. You need to have like an exit strategy in place at that time, but that really goes to show, those are the parabolic phases that we have not even seen happen yet. So, long-term perspective, guys, sky's the limit for this project. I always like reminding you guys this, but you guys do what works for you. But one thing you guys don't want to do is, get shaken out by the weak hands, because their main, these whales, big strategy is, okay, no, I need to reword what I just said. You do not want to get shaken out by these whales, guys, because these whales try to manipulate the markets, because they're trying to shake out the weak hands, and you do not want to be the weaker hand, especially if you believe in the project and you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose. If you have done all these 3, guys, holding is your #1 key to follow. So far so good, guys, but always remember, we are just getting started. But now comes the surprise part. If you came all the way down to here, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me. I love you all. Like, I literally love each and every one of you guys. From the bottom of my heart, your support means the world to me. So what I'm doing as a token of appreciation for all the love that you guys have been showing me, I want to give away from my own pocket. I want to give away $200 worth of Vechain to 1 lucky winner, guys. 1 lucky winner will walk away with $200 worth of Vechain. The rules are extremely simple, guys. All we need to do is hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and comment down below. Once you have done that, you have entered. And basically what we need to do is we need to reach 500 likes. We'll make it easier this time. We need to reach 500 likes within the next 48 hours after this video goes live. If this video is able to get that, 1 lucky winner will walk away with $200 worth of Vechain, and I will give that as a token of appreciation for all the support that you guys show me. So stick around, guys. like that button, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I love you all. Keep supporting me, and I will continue making these videos for you guys. Once again, thanks a lot. Your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.